Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Farah, and today I want to share with you a recipe to keep bugs away using essential oils. Several different oils that will work, but combining essential oils will work even better. Studies show that citronella and creeping thyme has 91% repellency. As I said, there are several different oils that can keep bugs away, and they are cloves, citronella, creeping thyme, peppermint and spearmint, red thyme, lavender, lime, and I'm going to add one more, rosemary. I'm going to add rosemary because rosemary I put in my hair every single day, and our backyard is full of bugs and mosquitoes, and everyone else seems to get bit except for me. So I'm assuming it's because of the rosemary. It does make sense. Of course, rosemary is not on my list, but just by my personal experience, it does make sense though that bugs would be repellent to the essential oils, because the essential oils are full of healing power, whereas bugs are full of disease. So I'm going to give you a simple recipe with just 2 ingredients, but you have options for the ingredients. The first thing you're going to need is a spray bottle. Probably a 2-ounce spray bottle will be good. You will need to fill the spray bottle 3/4 of the way with either sweet almond oil, olive oil, hemp oil, or even jojoba oil. Just don't use coconut oil, because coconut oil will return to its solid state and you won't be able to spray that into a spray bottle. So coconut oil is definitely a bad idea in this situation. Next, you're going to add 50 drops of essential oil. Now, I did give you a list of those oils earlier, so you can choose one of those oils and add 50 drops of it, and then just give it a shake. You can also do a mixture of 2 oils, and so in that case I would just do 25 drops of each. So you just put the cover on, give it a shake, and it's that easy. You spray it onto your skin and the bugs should stay away, and these oils will actually be moisturizing to your skin as well. So there you have it, a natural, non-toxic bug repellent. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.